So now we are going to solve some basic problem, whatever we have done. So let me recap the first two things. The first thing today, first we will just go for the problem based on Stephen's law and also the Wien's displacement law. So these are the two formula we have to always keep in mind. So this is the power. The power is given by, for the black body, is sigma a t to the power 4. So this is the uh, Stephen's formula, and a is the surface area, sigma is Stephen constant, t is the absolute temperature. But if there is not any black body, then we can use the some uh, extra constant or some extra variable into this particular calculation. So this variable is can be written as p is equal to some epsilon sigma a t to the power 4. This epsilon is known as emittance, or sometime if it is absorbed, then it is also known as absorbivity. And this epsilon is between 0 to 1 for the some real body situation. So it will depends on the body. So for the black body, it is not depend on what is the material, but for the in general realistic sense, we have to include some epsilon, and this epsilon will be given for different body. So this is the thing. And second thing is the very interesting thing, that will be lambda m into t is equal to some constant, and we know this particular constant value. So this particular constant value is approximately 2.9 into 10 to the power minus 3 Kelvin meter. So we will try to solve some problem based on these things. So let's go for the first problem. This is a very interesting but straightforward problem. What we have two black bodies. So we have two black body. Let's say this is some black body A and this is some black body B. So these are two black body, and there are parameters of these two body are given. It is given RA is equal to 4 times RB. So these are the thing, that radius of first body. So RA is nothing but the radius. So this will be radius of A will be 4 times radius of B. Radius of B. So this is the first information we have, that radius of A is 4 times radius of B. The second information what we have, the power of A will be 10 to the power 4 times power of B. So this power radiated by this black body is related for A and B is something like this. So what we have to do, we have to find lambda A upon lambda B, the ratio between lambda A and lambda B. And what is lambda A, lambda B is the wavelength for which intensity is maximum. So means here we have to use the Wien's formula. So how we can approach this problem? This is a straightforward, very simple problem. We have to use this particular formula. So what we have, P is nothing but sigma A t to the power 4, and from the Wien's constant and from the Wien's displacement law, T is proportional to 1 upon lambda. So T is proportional to 1 upon lambda. So what I can say PA upon PB is equal to, sigma will be both for the same black body. So that will be area of A by area of B, and T is proportional to 1 upon lambda. So this will be lambda B upon lambda A to the power 4. And what will be area? So this can be written as P of A by P of B is equal to area is, this is nothing but the surface area, so this will be proportional to r square. So this will be r of a square by r of b square, and here we have lambda of b upon lambda of a to the power 4. Now we have to calculate lambda a by lambda b, so we can write lambda a by lambda b to the power 4 is equal to RA upon RB square into PB upon PA. So this will be the thing. And now if we are going to write all this particular thing, so this is the thing. So lambda A upon lambda B is equal to, I can say, RA upon RB to the power 1 by 2, because 1 by 4 will get, so this will be 1 by 2, and PB by PA. So this will be PB by PA is all about 1 by 4. So RA upon RB, this is 4 times 400 to the power 1 by 2, and this is all about 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 4 to the power 1 by 4. And if we are going to calculate it, then we can find this particular value. So we can find the value is all about lambda a upon lambda b is equal to, I think this will be approximately 2. So this will be the answer. So we can find lambda a upon lambda b is equal to 2. So this will be the answer we can get. So this is a very straightforward problem, but we have to always keep in mind what we have to do, where you have to use this formula. So first, it is given for the black body, so we are just going to use this. And second, it is just given that how the wavelength is associated with the temperature, and that wavelength is corresponds to maximum intensity, so we have to use this. So when these two are using in this particular problem, we can easily get lambda a upon lambda b is equal to 2 if I have done all this calculation correctly. So this is the first question of this black body radiation. We have used Stephen's law as well as Wien's displacement law, and we can find the what will be the final answer of this. So let's go for second question.